Yo, wake up, son. You'll be late for school. Good morning, class. How's everyone's summer? Can I use the bathroom? Who's excited to learn? Can you shut the hell up? Hey, Kirby 100. Do you know where room 69 is? Thank you. You're in the wrong classroom. This is the art classroom. Excuse me. You need to give me food first. Alright, class, we're gonna learn about geography. Today, and have a day at school.
So how's school?